Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show how to create stored procedure by using variables. First, I am defining the procedure. To define the procedure, I am using create procedure command. Next, I am defining the variables. To define the variables, use @ symbol. Here I define a variable which is named as LOC and data type is varchar. Next I am using as keyword. Next I am defining the SQL query. This is the stored procedure I created. SQL query is select star from sales where location is equal to LOC. Define a variable I placed it here. Select the syntax. Press F5. Now query analyzer return the output as commands completed successfully. Next I am executing the stored procedure. For that I am using execute command. Copying the procedure name. After that I am placing the value of variable. As I placed a single variable here, I provided single value. Now the syntax is select star from sales where location is equal to south. Select the syntax. Press F5. Now query analyzer return the output. Now let us see how to create the stored procedure by using VBA macros. In my previous video, I explained how to export the data from Excel workbook to SQL database. Now I am going to create the stored procedure on that data. This time I have not created the command button. Open VBE. This is the complete code. This is the sub-procedure name already created. Press F8 to start the debugging. First I am establishing the connection. In my previous video I explained how to establish the connection. I am opening the connection. After that I define the stored procedure name here and I am using create procedure command. Next I am defining the variable which is named as LOC and varchar is the data type. After that I am using as keyword. This is my SQL syntax. Select star from sales where location is equal to LOC represents to variable. Press F8. Here we can find the complete stored procedure on message box. Click on OK. Make it comment. To execute the stored procedure, I am using execute method of ADODP connection. Here I define a variable which is named as SQL and data type is string. In that variable I am storing the execute command. Execute stored procedure name. For the variable I am considering range I5 value of input data worksheet. This is the range A5. Already I created a drop down by using data validation. Here we can find north, south, east, west. I placed the location values here. Click on OK. Now I am selecting north. Press F8. After that, I defined a variable which is named as RS, which refers to ADODB.recordSet. Set RS is equal to new ADODB.recordSet. Next I am opening the record set. Next I am adding new worksheet. For that, I defined a variable which is named as new sh. Now object data type is worksheet. Set new sh is equal to, I am adding new worksheet after the sheets count. Here we can find application added the new worksheet. I am copying the record set values from the range A2. Now we can find north location values copied from record set to Excel worksheet. Next I am using drop command to delete the procedure. After that I am closing the connection. Here I am providing the sheet name. Now it is named as north data. Now I explain step by step procedure. Click on input data worksheet. Here I already created change event of worksheet. For that event I consider the range as I5. So whenever the value changes in range I5, automatically application calls this procedure. Next I am creating the south data copied. After that east data copied. After that west data copied. After that north data copied. Like that we can add more and more conditions as per our requirement. Hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.